Welcome to another installment of the Environmental Water Systems Video Library. Today's discussion will be on the proper installation and maintenance of a BB 1-inch setup. This will be exactly the same as a BB 1.5 inch. These, just to recap, are strictly 5-micron pre-sediment filters. Dirt, dust, rust, particulate material to protect other filtration equipment or other piping or valves or things to the house. In this mock-up, you'll see the proper installation at the main service line, a pressure reducing valve, hopefully maintaining reasonable pressure or reducing any pressure surging, and then the installation of the unit. You'll see an incoming valve open, outgoing valve open, and a bypass closed. This proper bypass creates the electrical connection or the ground to prevent any electrolysis. If a bypass is not used, you need to put a jumper between this pipe and this pipe because you're breaking the ground due to the copper pipe, due to the plastic. Okay? Very simple installation, very uncomplicated. Just vision it the way it is right now, and you'll have it 100%. Okay, let me show you how we do a very simple filter replacement. You have your incoming valve. You simply turn it off, no water coming into the unit. Open up a faucet in the home. That will give you your pressure relief. At that point, turn your water off and open your bypass. Now you have water going through the bypass and to the home. You have water to the home, and yet you have your water to and from the unit turned off. Pressure relief has been done by opening up a faucet in the home. At this point, we crack the housing, using our spanner wrench. And once we've done so, we spin this off. Now this is going to be filled with water. I recommend a bucket, but for example's sake, we're just going to do this nice and simple. Housing has a 5-micron pre-sediment filter. Also has an O-ring seated in the top of the housing. Simple single O-ring. You want to take some food grade silicone. Just make for a nice lube. Make sure that's nice and clean. Make sure what's in your housing is nice and clean. Take your nice clean filter. Seats at the bottom of the housing. Make sure your O-ring's in place. Tighten, completely tight. Just give a quarter turn on your spanner wrench. Do not over tighten. What you're going to do now is crack this open slightly. Turn off the faucet in the house. Close your bypass. Crack the rest of this. Totally open. Open the water to the unit, and you have a proper filter replacement. There is nothing complicated about it. You'll know to replace the filter when you have restricted or reduced flow rate, not just because the outside is dirty. If you have any questions, you can go to ewswater.com. If you need a showroom, there's a showroom locator on that site, or you can simply go to waterontheweb.com. Thank you very much.